Looking to future-proof your network with lightning-fast, reliable connections? Cat8 Ethernet cables operate at an impressive 2 GHz frequency, delivering higher bandwidth that meets the demands of emerging 25 Gbps and 40 Gbps standards. Whether you're streaming 4K content, gaming online, or managing a busy office network, these cables handle it all without breaking a sweat. I recently upgraded my entire setup with Cat8 cables, and the difference was clear from day one. Not only did the speed jump noticeably, but the connection stayed rock solid even during peak usage. Unlike older cables, Cat8 is fully backward compatible with Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7, so you won't have to replace your entire system at once. Plus, it's all-rated, meaning it's built to support high-performance applications in small to mid-level enterprise LANs, especially data center switch-to-server links. What sets Cat8 apart is the quality of materials. With a pure copper core, aluminum foil shield, woven mesh shield, and a durable PVC outer cover, these cables are designed to last. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors ensure a stable, corrosion-resistant connection. Whether you're running cables indoors or outdoors, this robust build handles heavy-duty use without compromising flexibility. Cat8 cables aren't just for big businesses. They're perfect for everyday devices like IP cameras, smart TVs, laptops, gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox, routers, modems, and even NOS systems. If you rely on your network for work or play, upgrading to Cat8 means fewer interruptions and faster data transfer across all your devices. If that's you, someone who values speed, reliability, and future-ready tech, Cat8 Ethernet cables are worth a look. They blend high-end performance with broad compatibility and durability, making them a smart investment for any network upgrade. Try it when you're ready to experience a smoother, faster connection that keeps up with your needs.